Hey there, are your videos just sitting there not making you any money? Time to flip the script. First, build a following. Remember, content is king and consistency is queen. Engage, engage, engage. Second, ever heard of monetization? YouTube partner program, Facebook's ad breaks, TikTok's creator fund. Yes, they pay for your views. Third, sponsorships. Companies love influencers. Show them you've got an audience that listens and they'll pay you to talk about their product. Fourth, merchandise. Got loyal followers? They might want a piece of you, literally. Sell them merchandise like t-shirts, hats, or even custom-made items. Fifth, crowdfunding. Sites like Patreon let your fans support you directly. Remember, you're not just creating videos, you're building a brand, so take a leap and make those videos work for you.